Alright, what's going on, guys? So welcome back, guys. I haven't posted in like so long. That's because I was actually traveling and I worked on my course quite a lot. So if you remember, I released it about 2 months ago and I had quite a lot of people come in and they got crazy results. So people came in within like 3 days. They're making like $14,000. So I'll show you the testimonials in a second, but I'm basically releasing it again. So I released it again on Thursday, and I've thrown in coaching for a whole month, which I did not include in the first version. And I'm also throwing in like new courses, new videos. So there's extra training and a whole bunch of extra stuff that I've put in there. So if you don't know anything about it, I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is and what the coaching involves as well. Okay. Also, there's going to be a link in the description, which is going to include everything. It's going to show you the testimonials and stuff like that. But I'm just get straight to it. So it's called a black box formula. And for beginners, it's going to be like your first online business and first income in 30 days. Okay, so there's no money lost in ads or paid anything. So if you're already a business owner, it's going to be, it's going to show you how to mathematically double your business income in 30 days or less. So you're going to be able to consistently buy Facebook ads at a profit. Okay, so it's going to be 6 weeks of training. So you can see some people that have come in here. So I'll just skip through the results a little bit. Just like I said, there's a whole bunch of results people got in the test group. So that was the test group, and now I'm throwing in coaching with me as well. So it's not just so people got results just by following the video tutorials, but now I'm throwing in coaching and live classes as well. So let me show you. I'm gonna do FAQ at the end of this. So some common questions people got that basically ask about the course. So it's gonna be 6 complete weeks of training. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to start a profitable Facebook ads business in less than 30 days. So you're gonna learn how to instantly run profitable Facebook ads. Okay, also pages, Facebook pages, and this is what's going to happen. So there's 6 weeks of training, 6 weeks, yeah? 6 complete weeks of training. So week 1 is going to be for the setup. So we're going to set up your business model. So if you don't have a business or anything, I'm going to try to pick a niche, create a niche, build Facebook pages, make money through Facebook pages, how to build agency, how to get clients for your agency, for any kind of agency, and basically how to get yourself set up. Okay, if you don't want to do that, I'm also going to show you how to build an email list and then make money from your email list as well. This is the first, you're also going to learn. So basically, people that have come in my course have no idea what Facebook ads is or anything like that. So in the first week, you're also going to have to set up your pixel, how to set up your pixel, business manager, ad accounts, all that stuff. So everything's included, A to Z. So you're going to have to pick the most profitable business model you'll enjoy working with the very first time. A to Z, successfully set up your ad account, pixel, business manager. The keys to building a profitable Facebook page and group the first time, and how to monetize it so you make money from it. So you're going to get my blueprint on how to do that. Okay, so my exact step-by-step, and this works. This works because I do it all the time myself. So everything I put in the course is what I do myself. So and it works. So there's no theory. You're also going to know how to build an audience of buyers and instantly target people interested in your niche. So this is week 1, the setup. Okay, then we're going to go into week 2, which is going to be building and scaling campaigns. So I'm showing you to build profitable ad campaigns every single time in any niche. Okay, every kind of ad campaign you can think of. I'm going to show you how to run every campaign at a profit and technically have an unlimited ad budget. I'm going to show you how to automate your campaign and bidding strategies, and I'm going to show you strategies to sell high ticket items. Okay, and in week 3, we're going to have to create a high converting ad. So you can see my spying strategies, my step-by-step formula on creating ads. You can see my ad sequences that get people to buy when they abandon cart. Week 4 is going to be funnels and retargeting. So we're going to have to build e-commerce affiliate, marketing, coaching, consulting, opt-in, any kind of funnel you can think of, you're going to learn in week 4. And also my hidden audiences and targeting secrets that you're going to have to know as well, which is all included, okay? Week 5, messaging email list. Okay, I'm sorry to build a message subscriber at 10,000 people plus. I'm showing you messages sequences you have to send out to people in the particular order. I'm going to show you my exact strategies to build email lists of 10,000 people plus for free. Week 6, I'm showing you to build a push notification list. This is super important. of 10,000 people plus and retarget them with offers from your stores, from your websites, and get them to buy. I'm gonna show you the exact tools you need, all the tools that you need for e-commerce, Facebook ads buying. I'm gonna show you secret invitation only tools that you can use, and everything you need to automate, all the tools you need to do that. Alright, so you're gonna get more done in 6 weeks than most people do in 10 years. Okay, 6 weeks of training. And look, here's the thing, guys. So you're gonna get the entire black box formula training program. That's easily a $3,000 value. But like I said, I'm also throwing in something else, which is coaching. So the first group of people that came in, they did not get coaching, and they still got the results that you saw, which is crazy. But just by itself, without the stuff I'm going to show you, they got all the results. But now I decided I want to throw in coaching, because it's just going to help you get there way fast, even though they did it without anything, which is crazy. So here's what's included in Accelerator coaching. You're going to get 2 coaching calls with me in the first month. You're going to get 4 live weekly workshop calls, where I go through live campaigns, get clients and close them, build sales funnels, analyze your ad campaigns, etc. You're going to get access to a private group chat with only black box formula members. This is a total value of $13,291. You're going to get all that for free when you get the black box formula. Okay, so there's pretty much no way you can lose here, guys. It's just going to work. Alright, so you're going to get all that, guys. So let me recap exactly what you're going to get. The entire black box formula training program, the black box accelerator, which is going to be live calls, coaching calls, etc. Okay, and then also, so you're going to be able to build campaigns on Facebook. You're going to have a real business that generates consistent income. You're going to be able to create all the funnels and campaigns that you see me build, that you see me talk about, all that stuff. You're going to be able to create ads that consistently convert. Okay, even if you have no experience, you're going to start from zero. You're going to be able to build a huge messaging email list without spending anything on ads. You're able to use super tools to automate, spy, and uncover unique insights. So you're also going to receive done for you ad templates and access to lifetime access to the exclusive mastermind group plus course updates. So to sum it up, you're going to get an entire black box formula training program, the black box accelerator, lifetime access to the mastermind group, and done for you ad templates and updates, which is a total value of $18,285. And now here's the thing, guys. I'm gonna put a link in the description, which is going to show you exactly what you're going to get week by week. It's also going to show you the bonuses, the coaching program, and all that stuff. So it's also going to have a little video which goes over a little bit more, just in case you want some more information on it. But yeah, guys, look, there's going to be a link in the description which is going to show you how to get in. But so I know a lot of you are going to have questions, so let me tell you exactly. So I'm gonna go over the frequently asked questions when it comes to this program. So the refund guarantee, is there a refund guarantee? I'm telling you, no, there's no refund. There's a profit guarantee. Okay, I've got profit guarantee included. So what does that mean? It's a 31-day action-based profit guarantee. So if you go through it, you did the coaching, you joined the live calls, you watched the course, you applied what we said, and you don't get results, you're gonna get 100% refund. Plus, we're gonna send you an extra $1,000 for wasting your time. Plus, you can keep the course. Okay, there's literally no catch. Okay, because I believe my stuff. I know it works. Because you're gonna be working with one-on-one. It's not just watch a video and buy. Like, no, you're gonna be working with one. You're gonna be in the group chat. You're gonna get the coaching calls, the live calls, the training, all this. There's literally no reason for you that you're gonna fail, which is why we're including that. So the only way you're gonna really lose is by not jumping in on the investment. Look, guys. So yeah, the link in the description is gonna show you like all the stuff that's included. But let's go over some more questions. So let me see. So I'm just getting here. So can you actually do this in 30 days? So obviously I'm telling you it's gonna work in 30 days, right? And here's the thing, guys. No, but before we go into that, what's gonna happen if you try and do this on your own? What's gonna happen is you're gonna spend thousands on Facebook ads without any results. And I've seen people do this over and over again, where they spend thousands on Facebook ads, even up to $8,000 just on Facebook ads, and they get 0 results. Okay, trust me, I've seen people do that. Tools, you're gonna spend so much money on tools that you don't need at the wrong time, and it's just not gonna work. But with Facebook ads, I'm just trying to run ads for free. So like, even if you came in just to learn that, it's gonna be worth it for you, because people are spending 7,000. It's like they're not making that money back, because I'm just trying to run every ad campaign at a profit. So there's no way you're ever losing. You're not paying anything out of pocket Facebook ads, because the way Facebook ads work is you kind of pay at the end of the month. So you can run ads today, okay, and they're gonna be paid for, and you only pay them at the end of the month. So I'm sure exactly how to run it at a profit, so that you're never really paying for ads, okay, which is crazy. Okay, you're gonna have to pay someone to build funnels. You're gonna have to pay someone to do all. That's why I'm including my funnels. You're gonna get all my funnels. You're gonna get done for you funnels. You don't have to figure out how it works or if it works and all that stuff. Okay, so can you actually do this in 30 days? So beginners, you're gonna get 1,000 to 2,000 leads. I'm sure if you can get 1,000 to 2,000 leads, which I'm sure to do easily, and you can easily do this in 30 days. Okay, 1,000, 2,000 leads is super easy, and you know you can do that. Okay. Also, if you want to get clients, I'm sure to get 5, 10 clients that pay you a monthly fee. Can you do that? Of course you can. This is super easy. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and get clients pretty much instantly. And also have to position yourself as an expert, even if you're not. Okay. If you don't want to do that, I'm sure to make money through Facebook pages. If you don't want to work with clients, so you don't want to get leads, I'm sure to make money through Facebook pages so that you can monetize the page in a group and pretty much just make money through that easily. All right, you're going to use my blueprint to do that. Okay, so it works. Can you do this for free? Yes, you can. If you're more advanced, can you build and scale profitable sales funnels and ad campaigns? Yes, you can. Can you be making sales and ROI? Of course you can. Now the question comes, can this pay for itself? So if you can get 1,000 to 2,000 leads, which I'm sure to do for free anyway, and it works, if you can do that, even if you have bad conversions at $1 per lead, which is quite bad, which is $1,000, you pretty much paid for the whole course, coaching and training, and you got some money left over. So the only way you're gonna lose is by not jumping in, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's the only way you're really gonna lose. So it should be a link in the description. She's gonna show you, how to get in all that stuff. It's gonna show you, the week by week. It's gonna show you testimonials. There's gonna be like a little chat thing if you got questions. So some more questions that we get: will this work in my niche, or will this work for me particularly? If you're a beginner with no business or anything, week 1 is dedicated to you, so it is gonna work for you if you're a beginner. Because like I said, we're gonna show you how to get leads, how to monetize leads. That's what you want to do. We're gonna show you how to build, how to get clients for anything: coaching clients, consulting. You want to build an agency. You're also gonna have to serve those clients so that you get them results and they pay you. If you don't want to do that, I'm gonna show you how to build profitable Facebook pages and groups and just make money from that. Just super easy. $1,000 to $10,000 a month, easy. And yeah, so that's for beginners. If you have no business, you're a beginner. Consulting, like I said, consulting, I already showed you. We're gonna show you how to build consulting funnels and get clients that are gonna want to work with you, and they're gonna pay you. Because the thing with consulting, you don't need that many clients to actually make a lot of money. So you only need a few clients, and they're gonna pay you quite a lot. So we're gonna show you how to build consulting funnels, how to close those clients. Lead gen, of course, lead gen. We're gonna show you how to get thousands of leads at a profit, how to run lead ads, how to get them for free, how to build funnels inside Facebook so that you can qualify those leads before you even talk to them. Okay, so of course lead gen, like 100% e-com. You saw those results. They're all e-commerce. Speaks for itself. It justifies the price. It justifies everything. Coaching, same thing as lead gen. Like I said, personal brands. Name me one personal brand that's not running Facebook ads or building an email list or sending you emails. There's no one out there. Info products, of course, it's gonna work for info products. Every person that does info products builds an email list and runs Facebook ads. But I'm gonna show you exactly the step-by-step way to do. So at the end of the day, if you want more customers, you want consistency, a way to grow a positive ROI, this is for you. What about so every week you can spend 1 hour a week, you can spend 2 hours a week. It's all up to you, self-paced, so you can go through it at your own pace. Excuse me. How long is your access? You got lifetime access to everything. Okay, so the Black Performance Training Program, lifetime access. Yeah, so the whole thing, you got lifetime access. The group is lifetime access. But and also you're gonna get the coaching and live calls. But obviously after that, if you want to do more coaching with me, you can choose and you can join a separate group, which is a monthly paid group. So that's if you want, that's your choice. But you're gonna get that once. You're gonna get everything else is just lifetime access. If you wanna join the coaching group after that, and that's fine. Do you get updates? Yes, you get updates. Updates every week. You're gonna be locked into all the future updates. You're gonna get all my updates. You're locked into that, okay, guys? So all of this, I'm throwing updates every week, so you're 100% locked in to all of that stuff. So what can you lose if you buy? All thing you lose if you buy is a bit of time, because we got a profit guarantee, we got all that stuff. You've seen the results, so you're only losing a little bit of time. What you could gain, a lifelong business and growth. So here's what you're gonna lose if you don't get in. Okay, the one-time special price, all the bonuses and updates, a year of your money, and time just trying this out. Being able to have your business in 30 days versus 2 years, and literally $9,000 spent just trying it out. So literally the only way you can lose is by not getting in. Okay, and there is no payment plan. Alright, there's never going to be payment plans ever. There's not going to be payment. So there's just a one-time fee. You get in, you're locked in forever, and that's it. Okay, so if you got any questions, email info@loftydraft.com. I'll put my email in the description as well. But if you got any questions, let me know. Okay, and yeah, so I'm actually going to start doing more tutorials soon. Well, today probably. So yeah, and everything is included. You got information. You can check the link in the description. It's going to have everything with testimonials. I haven't put all the testimonials because it kind of makes the page load kind of slow. But so I might throw in more testimonials later. There's also that little video which shows you testimonials as well. So yeah, guys, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, peace out.